Yes, good morning, subscribers, and to the wider world. This man out there with some natural talent, right out of the garrison. You say natural talent to me, natural talent. But I don't know in the garrison a whole heap of good things in there. So, some of you them just want the opportunity. I call a sculpture now this morning, look at it. See it? Natural thing. See it there? Right, yes, everything there, so. Alright, now the man behind the scene, German, see him there? The man that can turn a piece of paper in a house, a box in a house, any waste material you have, and want something from it, you can get it there, so. Yeah, that's how talented him is. I see the man work, I couldn't believe so a youth like this there right here, so. And now I get an exposure where he would have really like. So we know saying I get to some of youth them are just strong faith. Cause them have a talent and nothing go on. Some of the youth them can't hold it, them take the street feet. Yeah. Man that behind the scene. So I take a little one reasoning from him and hear what I say. And see what inspire him, where him learn the craft from. Because this is just a piece or two I work. But I can't tell him I see a whole heap of work. And we're going to bring a whole heap more to the world. You understand? I bring a whole heap more to the world. Even jerk pan over there, so you see. I make all them things there. Yeah. So I'm hog pan, chicken pan, you name it. A man behind the scene, German. So, I take a minute and come back to you and hear what talented youth have to say. Yes, peeps. See it there? It's no joke. From paper to straw to metal, anything you want, they right here, so. We turn waste straw in a something, we turn waste cardboard, waste papers. See me? This is how talented it is. See me? Anything when you recycle, we do it. Yeah. So, we're going to ask a man a 2 or a 3 questions, So, yes, German. First question, how long you do a thing like this?
Well, years me I do a thing like this now. I was born with the talent, and I keep on pushing myself, And working harder and harder every day to try to seek the help. And I wish if somebody out there could have just look at me and push the help towards me.
Hold on, the German. Hold on. It's a fucking breakup, sir. Peeps and the wider world, all subscribers. This man when they do a little sharp, Natural talent, in a garrison. So I worry for that there, but sometimes them just not get the exposure and thing, and sometimes some can't hold the faith and them go out there, so you find that sometimes that kind of be assistant to crime. But where they are feature youth where I hold it for years, Great talent, Turn any recycle material in something. From paper to straw to cardboard box, anything you talk about, irons, anything in a metal board. Yeah. See it, this is a sculpture you make right here in a garrison. Yeah, you know? Yeah. This look like a piece of old bamboo with some shells. Him just turn it in a little flower spot, you know, put on your desk, you know. See it here again. Yeah. Natural talent. I only for work, you know, but some of the work them we do Ghana road already. When we decide to do a little shots, yeah. See, there's a load about that. Them they are work one. I want to say bad the man bad because him work for me already. So I see him work and it's a youth I know over years. See me? Yeah. Discover some work with the man do all down at the school. When we go there and see one truck with the man make one bus with the man make out a box. Not a one little juice box. Cardboard should say. Yeah, one of them could have go in it and drive go up the road because it looks so real. Everything you can think of with a motor vehicle that come with. All engine it come like the man put in a little cardboard bus. Yeah man. Some of them work there. Jerk pan, grill. You name it, anything. Him can do it. From a pin to an anchor, I him that. So, we'll take a little small interview because kind of run out of some space, yeah. So, we'll just take a little interview from him, the man that himself, German. So, German, as we there I say, the Garrison have a whole heap of talent, but now get the exposure where it forget. And some of them can't hold the faith. But right now, we just want to ask you, where you really get the inspiration from for do all things like this? You're going to school like no art or nothing or just natural born talent?
Well, a natural born talent, you know. Go school, go further, several things on it. But most of the things them I want to see in the community, I want to dream, when I picture in my sleep and support, I'm just tell myself, well, we never design some things and show it to the community, show other people abroad, all over, that several youth are here, we have the talent, but the help, most of them need the help. And
Yeah.
like myself.
Sometimes people them have the...
They try to do things but I can't show enough of them, but them can further themselves and can able to push themselves more and more.
Yeah, show themselves not to go the wrong road, although things not happen right now, but you can continue to pursue your dream.
Yeah, continue on your work, stay on your work. Push yourself, because people out there will help you. It's just when you push yourself further and further, people come towards you one day. You was surprised in yourself to see people come and push you, help you, give you things, send you go here and there and do several other things. That just, you have to just, you know, say you hold your ground and do your thing. If you hold your ground and do your thing, do it, just do everything where you can do. Things in your dream, things where you see or things where you never see before, you just design things, show people say you can do these things and get yourself forward in life so you can help your people and help others and never give up on what you are doing.
So what you say? You can turn up to a piece of plastic in or something.
Well, any recycled materials.
Anything a man that call garbage.
Anything, we can use it and do all craft work, all designs. We use them and do several design, build wall, build chair, tables, anything at all. Even things that we can sit on, things that we can walk and use, we can use them and turn them.
We see you do have some bossy signs, you know, advertising signs. Right here, so you sit down around your little table and do some bossy advertising sign. So, all a sculpture like this now, we just want the people to have an idea. If you say, you get a job to do something like this now, you don't really have to talk about your business like that to the world. But just a little idea, if it's something like this, want something like this with all cost. Somebody know we see your work and like it. I open an office or a nice little place, so we don't want something like this.
Well, it will cost a good amount of money because we have to get the materials and so forth, you know. Even your time and your patience there, you spend around it, you know. People have to look at all those things, you know. Because I know every youth out there, I go charge big. I charge heavy like a next month. Some youth are going to just cut down the level and say, well, we do a thing for the first time so we can broadcast we sell, we can help we sell more. So other people will look on you and say, well, the price that they are giving me, you know.
Alright, peeps. We will cut the video here and give a part 2. Yeah. As we say, people, part 2 of the video here. So, we'll do a little wrap up here now. Show you our next piece of work up at the school. So we'll try to save some time. So what you say? You have a number where you can put out there, so if anybody want to call you, them can call you, or you just want it stay away. Because I done drop a link in my description for say boy.
We can put out there.
Yeah man, then you put out your number man.
8876 505 6918 or 813 6854.
Alright. So people, anything you want, just link him. As I say, him turn anything. Any waste material, him take it make something. So if your child out there have a school project, this is the man for it. I've done it for me already. Something my daughter get where it's impossible to me to deal with or get. And him was the man I turn to. Yeah. And then bring it to me. So, who no subscribe, it, just subscribe, like and share, because that video I want to go to the world. I beg you to please, all the unsubscribe them, share it also, and subscribe to the channel. Because we have some more of this thing to carry come. So, our next little piece of work, where we are going to take a little minute off up at the school, some work we do, about 2 years ago or more, we are going to send it on the video also. So just like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Speak My Mind Entertainment. Yes, peeps. These are some of the work, you know. All those signs and writings. All those signs and writing you are seeing are some of the work at the C Ward Primary and Junior High School. Yeah, all those signs, those writing, that's him. Yeah, that's how talented is he. Yes, people. That's another part of the talent, you know. What me I tell you about. This is the bus that made from cardboard. See? The license plate, mirror. Everything was made from cardboard. Everything made from cardboard. That is how talented is this guy. Yes, peeps. All those writings, yeah, that is how good is he. That Minister of Justice sign was also done by him. So peeps, just like, share and subscribe to the channel. It's not just about cooking. Speak My Mind Entertainment. Everything you will be getting over here. Yeah. So just like, share and subscribe to the channel. Speak My Mind.